Hi, boys and girls. So this is your third lesson on the area and perimeter of a circle. Introduction to the concepts was first, circumference was second, and now this is area. I'm Miss Robert, and again, 6+ students, this is for you. If you want to watch this in 7th grade, you'll need that. You'll need this. Be my guest. I can visit you in 7th grade. So here's my circle. And for the area, we have to deal with the radius. So if I have this imaginary line down the center, and that's diameter, and the diameter is 8 feet, what would the radius be? So we're working backwards. So if the radius is half of that diameter, what is half of 8? It is 4. So the radius of this circle is 4 feet. So you have to be careful when you have a problem with area that you know whether you are dealing with diameter and radius. And the same for circumference. You have to be really careful. So if you look here, I have the area of a circle, and this is called the what? This is called the formula. Formula. Yep. All right. So the formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. Now, when we did circumference, we did something like this. 2 times the radius. Is this the same? Or are these two the same things? And you know we've gone over this a lot of times. They're not the same. This is saying radius squared. So if I have the radius as 5, and I'm squaring it, I'm multiplying it by itself, and I'm going to get 25. For the circumference, I have 2 times the radius, so if the radius is 5, 2 times 5 is going to be 10. It is not the same. This is addition, this is multiplication. So when we deal with area, again, you must remember that the answer is going to be in square units. Whatever unit you're given is going to be in square units. So, using the formula, if I have this circle, and I'm going to have 7 as my radius, we plug in the formula, pi r squared. That's the formula. And we're going to say pi is 3.14. You know that. The radius is 7, and we're going to square it. And you know from orders of operation that you have to do the parentheses first, and the exponent even before that. So the exponent, 7 squared, don't say it's 14, it's 49. So we are left with pi, which is 3.14, times 49. And I didn't even put a unit on here. I should have. Let's say it's centimeters. Okay? So we're going to have 3.14 times 49. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 is 9. And 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27. And 1 is 28. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. And we add it up, and we count off the decimal places. There are 2. So the answer is 153 and 86 hundredths, I'm sorry, 153 and 86 hundredths square centimeters. Square, because you are doing area. Now, if we take that problem and we have diameter, let's say we have a diameter of 6 meters. So we have a diameter of 6 meters. If we need the radius, what are we going to do? We're going to take this in half. So we have pi is 3.14. We have the radius now as 3, and we have to square it. So we're going to have 3.14 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, I hope you know, is 9. 3.14 times 9, and that is going to give us the area. And 2 places, and what did I tell you? It's square meters. Now, I gave you a little way, a mnemonic, of remembering the circumference of a circle. Cherry pie is delicious. For area, we're going to say that apple pie is 2. And that means the area equals pi squared. So the whole mnemonic is cherry pie is delicious, apple pie, actually we just said apple pie, so we don't have an extra letter. Apple pie is delicious, apple pie is 2. And of course, that means that kind of 2. Okay? And that stands for circumference equals pi times diameter, and area equals pi squared. Thank you. Tune in another time. See you.